Hey guys, I'm excited to show you today how we can submit assignments through Canvas. Now, I want you to think of assignments not just as things to be graded, but it's a way for us to communicate back and forth. When you have to write something or show something or express thinking about something, Canvas has a way that they call an assignment, and it's a way for you to directly contact me and to give me your thinking or your answers through Canvas. So after you've watched this video, you're going to be back to the screen with the videos, and you'll notice 4 buttons at the bottom. So today, your main job is to practice and explore how to submit assignments. So this first one, we're talking specifically about an assignment where you're going to upload a file, which might be helpful if you'd like to write things out on paper. If you like to type first and save it. Another option is that you can scan it. You can use your phone or an iPad and scan something that you've written or drawn. So that's one of the options that you can do. So I'm in student view right now, and I'm gonna show you how to upload a file for an assignment. So once you're done with the video, you're gonna click on that file upload. You'll notice that I know that this is an assignment for a few reasons. One, up here at the title, it says assignment. I see this blue submit assignment button. Also, all of the assignments are going to have this purple heading up here so that you know it's an assignment. So there might be a video for you to watch or a lesson to do or some practice within it. But those clues right there should say before you leave this page, make sure that you've submitted the assignment, which is a little confusing because that submit assignment button is up at the top. So if you look at the reminders here, it's reminding you how to submit a file upload. And you can read through those steps before you do it. So I'm going to submit my assignment. Once you hit that button, this little file folder system is going to come up at the bottom. And the first one we're going to do is file upload. And that's already clicked. So what this is doing, it's taking something that's already on your computer and it's sending it to me. So we're going to choose a file. Okay. And so what I suggest you do is have somebody help you make a folder to keep on the computer or on the iPad that is your name, okay? So that you can save everything there and you don't lose it, because sometimes it's easy to get a lot of stuff going on. So I called my folder 2020 Miss Dyson, okay? So when I open that up, one way that you can submit a, excuse me, submit a file is through a Word document, something that you've typed up using OpenOffice, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Works, something like that. So I just typed my answers to those 3 questions, 3 things I love. I love ice cream, my family, and reading. 2 things that I did this summer is I went swimming at Baden Lake. And another thing I did is I learned how to use a lot of new technology. I took a lot of classes online. I watched a lot of videos. And I really am excited to use some of them with you guys this year. And one thing I think I'm really good at is trying new things, and I like to think outside the box and solve problems. So I typed those up. I saved them to that Miss Dyson 2020 folder. So now when I find it here, it shows up beside choose file, submit assignment, upload. And then all I have to do is hit submit, and then that assignment's done. Another way that I can use the file upload is by taking a photo. My only warning with this is lighting, and reading writing is sometimes hard with a photograph. Definitely if you've drawn something or a Venn diagram or a graphic organizer, something like that, photos are a good option. But just be careful and make sure if you are taking a photo of your work to submit to me that I can see the writing. So I took a photo, I emailed it to myself, and then I saved it in that same Miss Dyson 2020. And now I'm just going to show you, you would only have to submit one of these for this to be complete, but I'm showing you some different options if you want to use them. So I'm going to add another file, and I'm going to upload the picture as an option. And then the final thing that you could do is you could scan the item, and that makes it a PDF that people can read. I use my iPhone. The Notes app works. Also, on the iPad, there's a lot of free apps that you can download that turn your cameras into scanners. If you go to the Useful Resources technology drawer on our homepage, you can find direct instructions about how to scan something if you want. So I scanned it, I saved it to the Miss Dyson again. So I'm going to add another file, and I'm going to choose that PDF assignment file upload. So I'm submitting now 3 different assignments. There's a comment section. You don't have to write anything on there. If you wanted to write your name, or I typed up my answers or something, you could do that. But as long as you see something written beside that choose file, you can go ahead to the submit assignment button. Okay. And you'll notice that there's confetti and balloons and stuff whenever you've submitted assignments. It should, instead of submit assignment, it'll say resubmit assignment up there. And after you've done that, we're going to go back to the submit assignments page. And once you go back here, you're going to watch the next video where I talk about how to make to submit assignments using text entry. So good luck with that. Give it a shot. If you have any questions, inbox me or watch the video again, and good luck.